Hello Aries and Moon Rising and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot at kung bago kayo dito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos and leave me a comment kung nakaresonate po kayo. Thank you. So first message po ninyo, King of Swords. Ayan, si King of Swords is someone na person of authority. Pwedeng this is someone na nasa mataas na posisyon sa kanyang trabaho, someone professional, someone very logical. Ayan, so pwedeng kayo yung nag-i-embody ng energy ni King of Swords sa ngayon, or maybe you are going to be dealing with someone na katulad ni King of Swords sa ngayon, no? So, good luck. We also have Two of Pentacles in reverse. And so, maybe there are imbalances happening in your life. Sa ngayon, meron kayong mga bagay na sabay-sabay na pinagkakaabalahan, sabay-sabay na ginagawa, sabay-sabay na inaasikaso. Kaya, nagkakaroon ng imbalance kayo. Kasi pwedeng you're only focused on one or two or three things, or few areas of life lang, at masyadong busy kayo on those areas, at merong ibang area of life na nakakalimutan din ninyo. Kasi siguro, sa sobrang dami ng ginagawa ninyo related to other areas, kaya sobrang no-overwhelm kayo, kaya meron kayong mga nanineglect, meron kayong mga na-overlook, yung ganon. So, this is calling you to bring the balance back in your life. I-organize din yung priorities, organize din yung schedule, yung mga ganon, para mabigyan ninyo ng oras, ang lahat ng areas of life, para mawala yung overwhelm feeling ninyo. Okay? At maasikaso ninyo ang iba't ibang area. So, we have Two of Cups. Ayan. So, in relationships naman, at least, diba, there is balance, there is harmony sa mga relasyon ninyo. So, maaaring your relationship ninyo ay isa sa areas of life na napagtutuunan ninyo ng pansin. Kaya ito, napabalanse ninyo, maayos, maganda ang samahan ninyo with your karelasyon. Pwede rin ang iba sa inyo sa ngayon is entering a new love and romantic relationship if you're still single. At this could be a love and romantic relationship, o pwede rin na bagong friendship ang papasukin ng iba sa inyo, kaya good luck sa iyo. So, tignan natin kung ano pa yung mensahe para sa inyo. We have transformation. Reach out for the power and strength to make changes, enrich your life, and become the person you want to be. Ayan. So, mayroon ditong pagbabago na maaaring magsimula on a personal level. Maaaring hindi ninyo ito, alam mo yun, yung medyo matagal na siguro ninyo itong gustong gawin, but hindi ninyo ito maisa katuparan, but now you're going to do it. You're going to start taking action towards that change, and that's gonna help you, na mag-evolve kayo into the best version of yourself. We have Owl. There are spiritual messages and a great wisdom to be found during this period of transition. So, napakaganda, diba? Kasi guided kayo ng divine. Guided kayo ng yung spirit team. And they're going to give you guidance. They're going to give you spiritual messages, wisdom, na makukuha ninyo, makakamit ninyo during this change, na mangyayari. So, that's really beautiful kasi kung ano man ang mga mensaheng ito, gabay na to, wisdom na mapupulot ninyo, magagamit ninyo yan para sa inyong mga future journey. Magagamit ninyo yan sa mga pagbabago pang mangyayari in the near future. We have proposal, a romantic or business opportunities indicated. Ayan. So, with the two of cups, most likely, meron talagang proposal dito na magaganap. Maaaring ang iba sa inyo dito na may karelasyon na, maaaring magle-level up na ng inyong commitment with your person. Baka handa ng mag-asawa, handa ng magpakasal, handa ng mag-settle down in marriage, you know. Kaya maaaring meron na ditong pagpapakasal na magaganap. Possible din na ang iba sa inyo rito is going to receive business offer, you know. Meron ditong business venture, business partnership, no, na pwedeng i-offer sa inyo Aries ng kung sino man. So, good luck sa'yo. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.